tombant, don, pisse le tombant, don. Maman,
Papa.
Soyez les bienvenus. Venez avec douceur et avec amour. Maman,
Papa.
quand j'ai vu ça,
Même jour.
j'ai ressenti que les Thomas Sankara ont touché les cœurs des Africains. Que les Kwame Nkrumah ont touché les cœurs des...
Comment? Ah,
Oui, ma.
where are you going to?
Maman, je pars au Ghana, maman.
Hey.
Maman, ça, ce n'est plus le moment de Kadhafi.
Hein?
Oh,
Même jour, papa.
ça, ce n'est plus le temps là. Le temps de Nkrumah. Oh,
Même jour.
ce n'est plus le temps de Patrice Lumumba. Maman, je veux citer les qui qu'on avait tués comme ça là. Je veux citer les qui et laisser les qui. Maman, ça c'est le temps de la jeune génération.
C'est un peu le temps de l'année.
Oh,
Même jour.
Maman, c'est le temps d'Ibrahim Traoré. Le temps des vrais Africains.
Ah, le peuple de l'Afrique.
Le temps, maman,
Papa.
le temps que chaque Africain met déjà dans sa tête qu'il est
Africain.
Il est africain. Il ne dit plus que non, je suis plutôt du Cameroun. Il ne dit plutôt que non, je suis plutôt du Ghana. Il ne dit plus non, je suis plutôt du Nigeria, de la Somalie. Maman,
Papa.
il met dans sa tête qu'il est
Africain.
Maman,
Papa.
l'Africain d'aujourd'hui a compris que son leader ne doit même plus être manipulé n'importe comment. Un vrai leader,
Même jour, papa.
doit être protégé. Pas protégé par ses frères de la maison.
Même jour, papa.
Protégé par ses frères du village. Pas ses frères du pays. Pas ses frères du continent.
Même jour, papa.
Maman,
Papa.
maman,
Papa.
à l'heure que je te parle, bloc total,
Même jour, papa.
pour protéger les vrais leaders, pas les leaders de nom, pas les gens qu'on a déposés,
Même jour.
les vrais leaders, les gens qui ont un sens, on dit ça,
Sens de quoi?
la vision.
Le sens de la vision.
Même
jour.
maman,
Papa.
hier, le 25,
Même jour, papa.
ce qui s'est passé au Ghana.
Même jour.
Ce qui s'est passé au Ghana, maman,
Papa.
on parlait en français et on parlait
En anglais.
Ce n'est pas moi de vous expliquer. Ce n'est pas à moi de vous parler. Mais vous avez les yeux. Vous avez
Les oreilles.
pour écouter. Pour voir.
Même jour, papa.
Maman,
Papa.
tous les Africains sont sortis au Ghana. Motion de soutien total à Ibrahim Traoré, à tous les Africains, les leaders africains, les vrais leaders africains.
Même jour, papa.
Maman,
Papa.
now you get the eye, get the hair.
Yeah.
Même jour.
Jour.
Now you in the sea, in the écouter. Même jour. Et non permis il de montrer, il de parler to the way da population ils don't parler. Même jour. Maman,
Papa.
now you in the get. Now you
Africa must be free. Africa must be free. Africa must be free. Africa must be free. That's all. That's one. That's all. That's one. That's all. That's one. That's all. That's one. That's all. Injury to one. 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 Injury to one.
Aujourd'hui, nous sommes à Accra, la capitale ghanéenne, où un événement marquant a eu lieu. En ce 25 mai 2025, des milliers de jeunes se sont rassemblés pour une marche de soutien au président du Burkina Faso, le capitaine Ibrahim Traoré. Cette manifestation ne célèbre pas seulement la vision d'un leader charismatique, mais incarne également le rêve d'une Afrique unie et forte, capable de résister à l'impérialisme. Les jeunes d'hier, d'aujourd'hui et de demain se sont unis pour défendre les idéaux d'un président qui inspire un véritable changement sur le continent. Restez avec nous pour découvrir l'ambiance pulsante de cette marche, les discours inspirants des participants et la détermination commune qui anime cette génération engagée. Ne manquez pas de vous abonner et d'activer les notifications pour plus de contenu comme celui-ci.
Africa must unite! Africa must unite! It's a very simple message to the world that this is not a time of Gaddafi. This is not the time of Thomas Sankara. This is not the time of Patrice Lumumba. This is not the time of my own leader, Osaji for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. This is a different generation together. If that time the youth were sleeping because there was no media to inform them about whatever our good leaders are doing, today we have the media. We are not listening to BBC. We are not listening to the CIA. We are not listening to the CNN for them to come and give us fake news about good leaders in Africa. This time around, we are not sleeping. And we are telling them enough is enough. We are sending a warning to the African leaders. Just remember 1963 in Ethiopia, the capital city of Ethiopia, Addis Ababa. Osaji Fodoko Kwame told them, if we live here as leaders, and we don't have the United States of Africa, our children are going to continue to suffer. Our generation are going to continue to suffer. Because they were not able to listen to Osaji for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, we are suffering and seeing it today. But we are telling them that with the help of Captain Ibrahim Traoré, with the stand of the youth of Africa, that when you touch Captain Ibrahim Traoré, you touch the youth of Africa. When you touch Captain Ibrahim Traoré, you touch the soil of Africa. We are not sleeping this time. I was so much disappointed when I see Donald Trump speaking to Ramaphosa, the president of South Africa. He's speaking to the president as his own biological son. And I said, how? How dare you, Donald Trump, to speak to an African leader? When you come to the land of Africa, you pick the natural resources of our land. Before we arrive, we come there to come and suffer in your own land. Because our African leaders were not able to take a decision on their own. When the man was sitting down, I was crying on my eye. Donald Trump is not older than Ramaphosa. That 50, 72, 78. The rent is only what? 6 years. So can you speak to your own colleague president as your own political son? No. Because we keep on having puppets in the land of Africa as leaders. So that our leaders were not able to take a stand. If you cannot take the stand, Captain have come out that I will take the stand that you were not able to do. So just give me your support and we are going to have the freedom of the continent. There is nothing that we need from them. We have the gold, we have the diamond, we have the oil, we have the uranium. Our youth are still dying on the Mediterranean Sea because of white collar job. Our youth are still dying on the desert because they want to go and work in another man's land. Enough is enough. For the land of Africa, enough is enough. We must unite.
That no more will the West decide where we go and how we move. No more will the West pretend to help us by taking out our leaders. No more will they interfere in our politics. We are tired of the exploitation. We are done with the exploitation. We say no more as Africans. We are claiming no more.
Shut it down.
No more.
Shut it down.
No more.
No more. No more.
Hands up, Africa.
Africa must be free.
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 Walk with Traoré.
Africa must unite.
Walk with Traoré.
Africa must unite.
Walk with Traoré.
Africa must unite.
This is just the beginning of our second wave of liberation.
Yeah.
We are moving into a time in which Africa dictates what their future looks like. We are moving into a time when we decide what we do with our resources. We are moving into a time when our leaders are our leaders and not puppets of the West. Hands up, Africa! Africa!
Africa must be free!
Hands up, Africa!
Africa must be free!
Hands up, Africa!
Africa must be free!
And we have a lot of comrades here of many organizations, Pan-Africanist organizations. We have all been doing the work. Each and every one of you has been doing the work of liberating the continent for a long time. And so we are going to have messages of solidarity, of power, to ignite us so that when you leave here, you're not just leaving here having sung a couple of songs. We are not here to sing. We are here to liberate our continent. You understand? We are here to liberate our continent. And so we will start with the ACUP.
French people, my French brothers, merci beaucoup. My French brothers, merci beaucoup. Unfortunately, that's the only French I understand. Forgive me. Merci beaucoup, merci beaucoup. Like I was telling you, the president of Ghana, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, is a friend of Burkina Faso President Captain Ibrahim Traore, and therefore he is in full support of whatever is happening today here in Accra, the city of Accra. The president of Ghana is in full support of what's happening today here at the principal street of Accra. And so this is an African thing. Let us see our flags. Let us see our flags. Merci beaucoup to all my French brothers. Merci beaucoup to all my French brothers. Can you like the video so that YouTube would suggest it to other people? Can you like the video? Can you like the live? Can you like the live so that YouTube can suggest it to more people? Let us all come on board. You know you can be here in person, so you can join us online. It's an African thing. It's an African thing. We all need to join this cause, support it and push it to the world. Let the West know. African is for Africans. Africa is for Africans and not for the West. African is for Africans and not for the West. This is the beautiful city of Accra. Kindly like the live. Kindly like the live so that YouTube will suggest to other people. Kindly like the live. Kindly like. You just join us. This is a massive walk in solidarity with the president of Burkina Faso, Ibrahim Traore, Captain Ibrahim Traore. Right here in the principal street of Accra, the beautiful city of Accra. Today we are saying enough is enough of the imperialism. We are currently walking towards Nkrumah Museum, Kwame Nkrumah Museum. Nkrumah is one of the pioneers of Africa. He gained independence for Africa for the first time. He envisioned a one united Africa, a one currency, a one president. And it's not too late, it's going to happen. And so we are currently walking towards Kwame Nkrumah Museum, where the last remains of Kwame Nkrumah is buried, where the last remains of Kwame Nkrumah is buried, here in the capital city of Accra. This is where Dr. Kwame Nkrumah has been buried. This is his museum, very, very beautiful stuff. Unfortunately, the police don't want us to go inside. I will have shown you Kwame Nkrumah's tomb, his last resting place in Accra. And so, you just join us. We are currently in front of Kwame Nkrumah Museum, a pioneer of Africa, an African hero. This is where he lies. This is where his last remains is. This is where his last remains is. Yes.
À chaque fois que nous avons l'occasion, nous aimons leur rendre hommage, car nous savons qu'ils sont tombés pour nous. Nous disons que si la France n'a pas oublié le général de Gaulle, que si les Américains n'ont pas oublié Martin Luther King, nous n'avons pas le droit d'oublier Thomas Sankara, Patrice Lumumba, Kwame Nkrumah, Jomo Kenyatta, King Rastafari from Ethiopia. Ils ont oublié la prison d'Assabo.
Maman,
Papa,
maman.
Papa.
Now you don't hear.
Nah, I don't hear.
don't hear.
I don't hear.
You don't see.
I don't see.
Maman,
Les yeux.
some people s'élever. Oh mon Dieu. Some people s'élever. Puis c'est le tombant. Puis c'est le tombant. Maman,
Papa.
soyez les bienvenus. Venez avec douceur et avec amour. Maman,
Papa.
quand j'ai vu ça, oh mon Dieu,
Même jour.
j'ai ressenti que les Thomas Sankara ont touché les cœurs des Africains. Que les Kwame Nkrumah ont touché les cœurs des Africains. Maman,
Papa.
que les Patrice Lumumba ont touché. Oh mon Dieu,
Même jour.
que les Roland Félix Moumier ont touché. Maman,
Papa.
maman,
Papa.
au jour d'aujourd'hui, l'Afrique ne doit plus se laisser faire. L'Afrique doit arracher son destin. Amen.
Même jour.
L'Afrique doit être unie. Même
jour.
Maman,
Papa.
nous ne pouvons que remercier cet homme, le Messie,
Même jour.
que Dieu a envoyé sur terre, qu'on vous a trop maté, on vous a trop sucé, on vous a trop appuyé, on vous a trop pressé. Viens donner donc le ton.
Même jour.
Viens entonner. Les autres vont chanter. Oh mon Dieu.
Même jour, papa.
Maman,
Papa.
you know, leave me à une coupette de raccourci comme ça in the arrivée to the Ghana, in the félicité to the population ghanéenne. Oh mon Dieu. Bref, de population africaine. Oh mon Dieu. Maman, you know, leave me I go.
Bye, les yeux. Bye, les yeux. Ah. Oui.